guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna be cooking some yummy fried rice, and I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I make my fried rice. Okay, so what I have here are my ingredients, what I need to make this fried rice. Here I have my mixed veggies. I did not cut this myself, I just bought it already pre-packed from the store, so you can either buy the fresh vegetables and cut them yourself, or you can buy the ones that have already been processed, you know, for you, cut and packed. Here as well I have onions, largely cut onions. Okay, right at the bottom you have the ones that I kind of like sliced circularly. Yeah, so here I have my shrimp, my cooked shrimp. Okay, and here I have parboiled rice that I'm going to be using as well. I have my drumstick, my chicken here. I have the oil. I also have my liver. I'm going to be using this to prepare this fried rice. Here I have the Maggi cubes, and I'm also going to be using the Knorr seasoning. Here I have salt, I have curry, I also have thyme. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using to make this yummy fried rice. Let's go along. So now guys, so I'm just going to be washing my drumstick to get it ready for so I can get the meat stock. So guys, here is the washed chicken. I'm gonna go ahead right now and season my chicken, boil it, and also get the meat stock so that we can get our fried rice started. So yes, let's go ahead and season our chicken. So right now I'm putting my Maggi cubes into our chicken drumstick. I know people usually say that, you know, teaspoons, but I actually use hand for measurements. I'm sorry, it feels like if I use the spoon, I probably will put too much salt, so I prefer using my hand. Just a little. And a little bit of thyme as well. We're gonna come back to it soon. I think right now we can go and start making our fried rice. So now I will go ahead and turn off my stove, medium heat as well. We're starting the process of our fried rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour in some oil. Guys, this chicken smells so good. Smells really good. So now guys, the oil seems to be very hot now. I'm gonna go ahead and put my yellow onions in it, or some people call it the sweet onions. So that's it. So guys, right now I'm gonna go ahead and start washing my rice. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and drain excess water from my rice. Alright guys, so I'm back to my onions, and I'm pretty satisfied with the color now. It looks slightly brown. It's not burnt. You can see it's not burnt. It's just the right color for our fried rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour our rice into it. I'm not gonna pour it all at once because I want to fry it bit by bit. So guys, my chicken is ready to leave the pot and move into the oven. So I'm just gonna put it into my foil wrapped foil pan. All right, so I'll go ahead and bring out my chicken. So guys, now I'm adding my meat stock. I'm gonna go ahead and put my knorr. I kind of use the cap for measurement. So about 2 teaspoons, about 1.5 actually. I'm gonna put my salt, so about this much. And I actually measured it in my hand first before putting it on this one because I trust my hand. Then our curry. I know it looks like a lot, but it's really not a lot. I just kind of sprinkled it. And then my thyme. And then I'm gonna give it a good mix. Guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and glaze my chicken with oil. Guys, so I am broiling at 525 degrees. I'm just gonna let it stay in the oven for about 30 minutes, and then I will flip it to the other side to ensure the other side also is perfectly heated. So while my rice is still in the pot simmering, I'll go ahead and start preparing my liver. So this is how it comes. It comes in this kind of packs. So this is it. I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt in it, and then I will cook this. Guys, so while my not my liver, the store-bought liver is cooking, my rice is simmering, I'll just go ahead and start prepping my mixed veggies. So first I'm going to put some oil into the pan because I'm going to be frying it, not too much. So all I did was I salted it just a little bit. So I'm going to pour this into my hot frying pan now. Guys, here is the finished look of our chicken, oven broiled chicken. It looks really good. So guys, here is the finished look. Of my fried rice. Let me know what you all think about my fried rice in the comment section. Alright guys, this is where I sign out. It's time to feed my nieces and all the children around me. Glory to God. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.